In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jeopardy-style game in Google Slides. We'll build a clean game board, link it to question and answer slides, add navigation so players can return to the board, and finish with a quick test to make sure everything runs smoothly, with optional touches like a timer or audio for extra energy. Start by setting up your game board. Create a new slide and design a simple grid. Put your categories in the top row, then stack point values, like 100, 200, 300, beneath each category. Use text boxes or shapes for the point values so they're easy to click during the game. Keep the formatting consistent. Align everything neatly and use clear, high-contrast fonts. This will be the main slide everyone sees between questions. Now make the slides that hold your questions. For each point value on the board, create a new slide and type the corresponding question. You can duplicate one well-formatted question slide to keep the look consistent and save time. Once your question slides exist, link the game board points to them. Click a point value on the board, right-click, choose Link, then pick Slides in this presentation and select the correct question slide. Repeat this for every point value. Test one or two links as you go, so you don't have to redo lots of them later. After each question slide, insert an answer slide immediately following it. This gives players instant feedback. On the answer slide, include the correct response and any brief clarification that helps learning. Keeping the answer on its own slide ensures the reveal feels deliberate and clean. Add navigation so you can always return to the board. Insert a small button shape on both the question and answer slides, label it something like Game Board, and link it back to your main board slide. Copy and paste this button onto every question and answer slide so navigation is consistent throughout the deck. When everything is linked, switch to present mode and run a quick rehearsal. Click each category and point value, confirm it jumps to the right question, reveal the answer, and make sure the Game Board button takes you back. Fix any links that don't behave as expected. If you want more excitement, consider a timer or audio. A simple countdown video or animated GIF can add urgency, and short sound effects for correct and incorrect answers can make the game feel lively. Keep volumes balanced so they don't overpower the host. That's it. Your Jeopardy-style game is ready to play and easy to run.